everyone! Welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. In this video, I'll show you how to make a quick and easy 7-layer shrimp dip. To get started, we have a few things to prep before assembling the dip. Cut up 1 cup of green bell pepper. Finely chop a bunch of chives. Chop 1 cup of tomato. And grate 2 cups of mozzarella cheese. Set all this aside while we make cocktail sauce from scratch. Start by adding 1 cup of ketchup to a bowl, along with 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 2 teaspoons of horseradish. You can add more or less horseradish depending on what you like. Add a little salt and pepper and give everything a mix. Now add 8 ounces of softened cream cheese to a bowl, along with half a cup of sour cream and a 1/4 cup of mayo. Give everything a good mix until it's all combined and smooth. Add this to the bottom of a 9x13 dish and spread in an even layer. Then evenly spread over the cocktail sauce. Next, you can add the other ingredients in whatever order you like. I added the green pepper, cheese, tomato, 2 cups of small cooked shrimp, then the rest of the cheese, peppers, tomato, and ending with the chives on top. Serve with your favorite crackers, and that's it! This dip comes together really fast and it's delicious. It's the perfect dip to bring to a party of seafood lovers. Try to get good quality shrimp because we want the flavor of the shrimp to really stand out. Let us know in the comments below if you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching! Bye!
Like and subscribe, please.